Ramadan Kareem. My name is Amanda Saab, and I was born in Dearborn, Michigan. While Ramadan certainly looks different in the United States, it's definitely different when you add COVID-19 to the mix. But I'm still going to be enjoying some of my favorite recipes with my family this month. One of our favorite easy suhoor recipes is overnight oats. You make it the night before and it's ready for you to enjoy in the morning. Let's get into the recipe. So we're gonna start overnight oats in a jar, which I love because then you can make several of them and store them in your fridge. And I have a cup of oats here. You can use oatmeal, oats, mussolini. There's different whole grains and different things you can use that are really healthy. And it's filled with fiber and nutrients, which will really keep you full. Whenever we have overnight oats on the menu for suhoor, is the day that fasting is super easy because it's like sustainable energy that's released throughout the day. So whatever portion you're making, you want equal parts oats to liquid. I'm using milk. You can use almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk. I just have regular cow's milk. You might use sheep's milk, camel's milk. All of those are perfectly good alternatives. So I'm just gonna pour it in here and give it a little stir just so everything is nicely combined. And this is where the fun really happens. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey. You can add maple syrup. I would stay away from sugar because we know that sugar, especially during suhoor hours, is really not good for you. It's gonna make you more hungry. You might get even dehydrated. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of flax seeds, and these will also keep you healthy and are super nutritious. You can add chia seeds if you like those more. I'm gonna give these a nice stir. And I'm gonna put these in the fridge. In about 1 hour or overnight, hence the name overnight oats, they'll be ready to enjoy. So I have some oats that were prepared the night before. I'm just gonna pour them into a bowl. You can actually enjoy them right out of the jar, which also makes cleanup way easier. And what I really love is that you can enjoy them cold like you would cereal, like normal cereal, or you can just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds and enjoy a nice warm dish. Now that I have my overnight oats in a bowl, I'm going to top it with my favorite fruits. I have blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. And I'm going to add some almonds and walnuts. The possibilities for toppings are endless. Add your favorite fruits, your favorite nuts. You can add another drizzle of honey if you like. Even some warm melted butter would be delicious. And here it is, my healthy overnight oats that you can enjoy with your family for suhoor this Ramadan.